7-layer taco dip with homemade refried beans. Okay, so we're gonna start with our refried beans. We're gonna start these ahead of time. We're gonna do them in the crock pot because they're easier. So I got a pound of dried pinto beans, and then to that we're going to add about a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper, and half a teaspoon of cumin, cayenne, and paprika. And we're just gonna pour that over top, and then we're gonna add some veggies. So we're just gonna roughly chop these. We're gonna do 1 red pepper, 1 red onion, 1 poblano, and 2 jalapenos. And then we're going to add 4 cups of vegetable broth and 3 cups of water. And we're just going to stir it up and put it on, I don't know, high for like 5 hours, low for about 10 hours. You just want them to get nice and soft. And then we're going to start, when they're nice and soft, we're going to ladle some of this broth off, but just about like half of it, but save it just in case you need to add it later. And then we're going to add half of a stick of vegan butter and then pull out our immersion blender. And we're just going to go to town and add more liquid as needed. But just remember, they are going to thicken like as they cool off, right? So it's super thin now, but then they'll thicken up a little bit. So then we're going to move over to our taco dip, and we're going to make a taco sour cream. Vegan sour cream, 16 ounces, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon cumin, half a teaspoon paprika, red chili flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, or you can just use a packet of taco seasoning. And we're just going to mix that all together. So we got like taco sour cream. Then we're going to make a guac. I got 3 avocados, probably should have used 4. We're just going to add some lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. I just did some black pepper with mine. And then we're just going to assemble basically. So I have my refried beans, and it makes a whole lot of beans, by the way, you guys. I have a whole lot left over. And they're not even ready. You see, they're not even cold yet. I just couldn't wait because I want to eat this. I put the guac on top, the vegan taco sour cream bonanza, a little romaine because like I had it, a little vegan cheese. We got some store-bought pico de gallo because I'm lazy. We've got some sliced jalapenos I had lying around, and some green onions I had lying around as well. If you've seen some of my recipes, they're leftovers from that. And holy shit, you guys, it is so good. I use these no-salt tortilla chips, and I impressed myself, and you guys should make it. And full written recipe link below. Subscribe.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.